We have Gregor now for the next session. For those of you who have just joined us, Gregor is the Regional Category Manager in Asia for HPE. So, Gregor, I'm going to pass the virtual stage to you.
Thank you, Karen. Let me put my presentation. I hope everybody can see.
Yes, Gregor, go ahead.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Noel. Thank you, Clement. Thank you. So I'm sorry coming late. I have difficulties to log in. Just briefly share with you, want to say welcome again for the Work from Home 2020. This is the first APEC virtual conference, like what Noel mentioned. And thank you for the opportunity to be part of this great conference. I'm sure that you can see the session today, starting with Noel and Clement, couple of experts. That before we be going to that, listening to what we can take away today, just want to briefly introduce myself. My name is Gregor and part of the HPE Regional Category Manager for Microsoft product. And joining together with all the experts today as the speakers, you can find in the different tracks. I want to highlight the HPE and Microsoft on how we better together, in helping this technology and values in today's new normal working from home requirement. All right. So I think as you know, for companies to be successful in today's condition, speeding time to value with the new generation of application and data will require a hybrid infrastructure that is fast, flexible, and scalable. Whether your application and data are in your on-prem or on a hosted cloud, the reality is that the right mix of hybrid infrastructure depends upon your workloads and business requirements. And also, the digital transformation is leading to that new requirements. This digital acceleration taking place across all the segment and business. It's size fueled by, of course, the big data, mobility, IoT, and cloud native technologies. At the heart of these technologies are application. And application we can find it in everywhere. We use them constantly in every business, such as a digital business with application and data center of innovation. With the importance of application and data to the business, IT becomes the heart of the business itself, and the impact is currently depends upon virtualization, hyperconverged, IT efficiency, and IT security. All the topics that you will find today. And with the current session, we're hoping that we can share more with you on how we can help your customers to be effectively going through that current digital transformation. So before we will hear from our expert on all the topics later on, just want to give a message. The key points of the fundamental why HPE and Microsoft can offer values to help your customers. Firstly, HPE servers are engineered for a deep integration with Microsoft and HPE, especially, for example, for the management console and security. And we work closely together to optimize, certify, and support all the solutions to work well on the platform, HPE and Microsoft. And with both companies have the history of to work together for over 30 years, delivering more and more values to our customers, the platform can be considered to be the most trusted platform to your customers. And the additional key values for our customers is a simplified purchasing. The customer allowed to get our platform include hardware, software, and support services, and also including financing, for example. All the Windows Server 2019 includes the right to request to downgrade, for example, and we provide the downgrade for the previous session. So it allows the customer to use the 2019, the latest one, once they are ready for their infrastructure. And lastly, the customer can use a single point of technical support contact facility for our both platform. For example, the 90 days installation and also the 24/7 or 9/5 support services. And lastly, as Noel mentioned before, our product have the all range that is certified using the Azure Stack Hyperconverged and also from our side of HPE. Right, so we have the Intel-based server, we have AMD, the new EPIC server, and also we have a specific workload optimized solution, all designed for your customers based on the workload requirement from them on the Microsoft, HPE, and Azure Stack Hyperconverged infrastructure. That goes. I would like to say enjoy the rest of the session today. Hopefully you get a lot, not overload today, but it's a lot of very valuable session today. Thank you.
Thank you, Gregor, for the session. Now, welcome all of you to Work From Home 2020, the Asia Pacific Virtual Conference. For those of you who have just joined us, we are about to now move you all to your respective tracks. There will be 3 different tracks running concurrently throughout the conference today: the hybrid IT, the cybersecurity, as well as the biz IT. So there is nothing for you to do right now except for just to sit back, relax, get comfortable, and enjoy the sessions. Our support team will move you to your respective tracks, and you will be guided by the respective track MCs, KVs, TY, and also Lai. See you later. Adios.